Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the carburetor on your push mower. This will most likely fix your non-running issue. And now, how to clean the carburetor. This is an air filter cover. Some might be like this, some might have screws or bolts in there. It's your air filter element. Don't really have to change these as long as it's not like super bad. And then you see here, there's little teeny tiny bolts in there. So we're gonna have to take out to access the carburetor. So after some deliberation, found out these are a 7mm, not an 8 like everything else. I don't know why you would do that. Doesn't make any sense. Very irritating. Okay, what? And this one's a different size than that one even. What's going on here? What are we doing here? Seriously. All right. Switch it back. Decided I was done asking. Not wasting no time. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Don't you tell me there's an, oh my God, there's another one. These two of them are the same size. That's new. Oh, yay. Okay, here is the carburetor. This one is plastic. That sucks so much. Usually they're metal, and that's a good thing because metal ones don't break. These ones often break. There's your throttle. See that? Open and close. Burn. Yeah. Gotta figure out how to get this out of here. Okay, I had to turn the flash on. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. That's how it's supposed to come off. Look at that. That is as easy as it could possibly be. Wow, it just pulls right off. All right, well, that's how that works. Okay. So now, we're gonna not break that. Start taking stuff off here. All right, so what I got here is a catch can of sorts. So that says gas in it. A bolt, a pair of pliers. Now this one, this fuel line has a pinch clamp on it. Either gonna want a pair of pliers for the pinch clamp, or if you don't have a pinch clamp and it's just regular hose clamp, you're gonna want like a flathead screwdriver or something, whatever the head size is. And when I take this off, what I hope to do is shove this bolt in it to stop it from leaking. If I can't, I'm gonna shove it in here until I can get it back on this fuel line for the carburetor. I don't want to take it off of this side because it'll drain the entire gas tank. This looks like the whole thing is gonna come off. That might actually be the move. No, I'm not doing all that. Okay, well, here I go. All right, let's see if I can do this here without making a huge mess. Okay, cut that off. Bonus. I can't get this linkage off until I get the fuel line off. That's my biggest worry. All right, prepare yourselves. It's time. Come on now. Balls. There it goes, bada bang. Where's the bolt? Shove it in. It's too big. That's a problem. Okay, so that went about as bad as it could have. And the bolt is too small. All right. All right. What a terrible mistake. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my mess. So I'm gonna pick back up with saying, don't do what I do, just do what I say to do. Now, if I were to tell someone else to do this, or after thinking about it, I would say drain the gas out of it, or run the gas out of it before you try and do this. I didn't do that because I don't think that far ahead. And now I just spilled like $80 worth of gas. I got a bigger bolt. And I'm gonna do it again. I've made it too far to turn back now. Well, don't be difficult twice. You gotta be nice to me one of the times. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you love it. Yes. For the small price of $100 in spilled gas, fuel line is plugged. Man, I'm good. And got a free shine out of this thing. Check that out. That's some showroom quality stuff there. My God, I'm even gonna shine the concrete. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. My goodness. All right. I gotta take the linkage off. This one right here. Oh, I gotta turn the flash on. Bang. All right. It's a little boop. Turbinator. Got it. Take this up to the workbench and clean it. Okay, number 2. Get the gas out. Get the gas out. Saving myself like $100 by doing this right now. Look at all that. Looks like nectar, man. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Our next step is to take the bowl off. Most people do here is get a big Allen wrench with a strain plug and drain it, but I'm not most people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One-handed here. Oh, good Lord. Try it again, take 2. It's gonna be really hard to do one-handed. There we go. Here we go. Ready? Prepare yourselves. Oh, I did it. Other side. I did it once, I could do it again. Watch this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get this off of here. Come on. Really? Do I have to take that? I don't want to take that off. I don't have to take that off. Got this beauty here. What I was trying to do is do this whole thing of like how to fix your push mower with as few tools as possible or as easy as possible. Blah, blah, blah. Look at how that's working out for me. This is not a one-hand job. All right. Now I spilled gas all over my phone. It's literally running down the screen of my phone. What a terrible tragedy. You can't get the bowl off. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is one of them things where you gotta buy a new one. Well, guess what? I ain't buying a new one. We're gonna spray it out heavy style. I'll be right back. So like I said previously, which you won't see anyways, so I don't even know why I'm saying it. Once Mr. Shaky Hands gets done here. Yep, just keep Now, what you want to do here is keep fumbling everything and dropping stuff. That'll help the integrity of the overall machine that you're working on. There we go, see? All right, so now we're just gonna spray this out. What I like to call heavy style. You know, you're just gonna, oh, you wanna go, oh, get in your eye. Get it in your eye. Oh my God, that burns so bad. Get it in your eyes. That'll help. Oh, wow. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, don't do that. Close your eyes while you're doing this. Get the straw in all the little holes here. Oh, it burns. Okay, we're working with one eye here. Let's probably put some water in it. Get in all the holes. I don't have a lot of storage left on my phone. Get in all the holes. Just spray around out. I'll sacrifice my eyes for this. One thing you'll never see me do. Oh, I'll do it again for good measure. I'm gonna have to, oh, and then spill the rest of it on your shoes. Oh, yeah, we're having a bad time. You're just gonna want to keep spraying here. And so after you spray it all in your eyes, right, that'll clear your eyes out as well as the carburetor. We're doing it all. You're gonna want to continue to just. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. All right. That's enough. Okay, my entire face burns. My eyes burn. But I think we got it cleared out. So I'm just going to put it back together. And then we're going to put it back on. And it's going to run like it's never ran before. And if it doesn't, oh, how tight can I go? That much. And if it doesn't, well, I'm going to find a new hobby. I just sacrificed my eyes for this. I mean, I can see fine now, but they burn still. What? Well, really, if you think about it, it is kind of essential to the process. You're not gonna, don't do that. Oh, I shouldn't have even said that out loud. I'll put a disclaimer somewhere in here. That's fine. You're gonna want to do this with one hand also. And use power tools, especially when you're working with metal and plastic. Oh, yeah, baby. Now that's some torque. Yeah. So now you see we're basically clean here. Oh, let's just spray her down. Let's spray her down on the outside, make it look good. Okay, so we're going to go with version 2 here. I don't have safety glasses on, but I'm going to squint harder. To minimize, oh, it still burns though. To minimize the amount of carbon show cleaner that I get into my eyes here. But we're going to see what happens anyways. Ready? How do I do? Oh, not bad. Part 2. Yep. Oh, see? That's why you close your eyes. That one would have hurt real bad. Just saved us. Get out of here, dude. What do you think you're doing in there? Close your eyes. Clear. Oh. Part 2. Clear. Oh. Oh, so much torque it took the straw right off of it. All right, now time to put it back on. Okay, so after some deliberation, I figured I would put some water in my eyes, but I didn't end up doing that, so we're back to square one. Our fuel line fix didn't work all the way, but it's working good enough. You know, we're on a 5-minute turnaround here, so god dang, I didn't turn the flat. All right, 30 seconds later, the flat is put. We're gonna put the linkage on first. We're not gonna get mad. Don't get mad at this. Just be nice. Just be. And you're gonna want to be a good film here. Hold it with one hand. Give them a close up. They'll love it. They'll love it. But this one, that's the wrong one. Don't you dare. Don't even do this to me right now. How about this one? Incorrect. What about this one? Yeah. Si, senor. Oh, dude, I'm gonna get this done. We're looking good now. We're on schedule here. I don't know whose schedule, but we're on it. Yep, we'll call that in. What about this one? Can we get this one in? Where are we at? Not even close. How far is not even close? Well, I don't know. Look with your eyes and you'll be able to see. All right, I'll put together. I gotta see if it runs. Oh, I gotta put the spark plug back in. That would have been really disappointing. All right.